unboxing. First video on YouTube. And then you can guess what it is. And we can. What does it look like? What do you think it is? Donkey Kong! I got this shoe because I just like Donkey Kong a lot. I like the old Donkey Kong, which was on the NS, and then the new Donkey Kongs that they made over the years. They were good. Let's do a review. What people call it. Let's do a review. Wait. Back. What's that? Hey, push my hands. What's that? What is it? Bow. I like it doesn't feel soft, but it feels. I hate when people that soft. But I do it too. Hypocrite. I do it too. It feels. Yeah, I don't know what to say. It feels kind of soft. All right. Yeah. Let's say that. All right. Let's go with that. Oh. What does this look like? Look at this. The old Donkey Kong game. It was lit though. That game was lit. That game was fire. I'm trying to say, don't get it, nigga. They didn't do that. They didn't do that. They did that. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. What does that say? Can you read it? Game over! Yeah. Say again, I just got the shoe because it looked cool and it's Donkey Kong, guys. Like, come on. It's Donkey Kong. How can you resist Donkey Kong? Anyway. It was good. It's real good. I can tell it's good material. I can really tell it's good material. The bottom feels rough. Rough as heck. Good shoe. All in all, it's a good shoe. You keep your little circular view. Boom. And I'm out.